welcome to Decor Easy. It's Dyanne here, and today I am back with a new video for you. Thank you all for watching this video. If you are already following us, welcome back, and if you're new here, welcome to Decor Easy. This is a channel which, actually I and my mother-in-law Janny are hosting. We are both from the Netherlands and we love to decorate our homes, especially for the Christmas season. But unfortunately Christmas is over, so now I'm going to take the winter decor back into my house. All the Christmas decor has been removed yet, and I already I'm quite far with decorating for the winter season. As you can see in front of here, I made a tray on the table. If you want to know how to do that, watch the other video and I'll show you how I made the tray and what items I used. And right now I'm going to do the outdoor part, my front porch actually. As you may know, I live in an apartment. I don't really have a garden, not a front or rear garden. I only have a balcony, a small balcony, and the front porch. And I actually already moved out all of the Christmas decor. I had silver nutcrackers and stuff, everything outside. I even had a moose head inside of a wreath up on my front door. Well, the moose is gone now. And I used a wooden snowflake. I already placed it inside of my wreath because that was quite a job to do that, to secure everything right, because the huge snowflake was quite heavy and I didn't want it to fall off the wreath. It might hurt someone comes over to visit me. I really don't want that to happen. I'm going to take you outside now within a moment. I'm not going to talk outside. And I should just show you step by step how I do my decor. As you can see, I use silver, white, blue and red colors this season. Outside I'm not using any blue, only red, silver and white and grey. And I already did some of my base decor. I'm going to take you outside as I already said. And then I'll show you how I have my decor right now. All the seasonal decor is out. And there's only a base left. I'm not going to change the base. I'll let it be because I still love it. And then I'll show you step by step how I create the decor of my front porch for the winter season. Right, let's go. So that was the other part of my home. I'm back inside and I sorted out which items I want to use to add to the decor outside. I have several items here, most of them are white. Let's start here. I have birds with a lovely tail, diamonds and pearls upon their tail and glitter upon their body. I think I'll attach them with the clip on the garland. Then I have these made of plastic that have some glitter, beautiful white antlers made out of plastic, so that's really good to use outside. Then I have some of these cute ice skates. Not really sure if I want to leave them this way or if I'm going to paint them. I think they look really cute. Then I hope you can see it properly, some white glittering branches, leaves, keep them in a plastic bag because they keep getting their actually there's much glitter. Yeah, that's what I wanted to say. So if I would leave them out of the bag inside of the house, then everything is covered back in glitter again. I have beautiful roses. They're made of foam, and I have a pin on the back. Yeah, you can see there. So I can attach them to a garland. And I think I put this one inside of my small lantern, which I have outside. Not going to put any lights in there because I don't think that will last long. Maybe I will use some lights around them. Hope I still have some lights left, which I can use inside of the lantern. Right, that was it, and now I'm going to shut off the video. No, I don't. Of course I won't. I'm going outdoors, outside on my front porch, and I start decorating, and I'll show you step by step how I transform everything for the winter season. As I said, I can't talk outside, so I'll only show you some images, and yeah, when everything is done, I will show you a last close-up of everything. Right, everyone, the outdoor part is done right now. I didn't use the ice skates because I thought they wouldn't fit in nicely. Everything is so glittering and glamorous outside, and then you have just some ice skates. I didn't like that. And unfortunately the house didn't fit into the lantern. Disappointed. I thought it looked so cute inside of there. But I had a solution. I just replaced it with a plant, an artificial plant from Ikea, so it is weather resistant. That plant came from the tray which I had upon my table in front of the bench. And yeah, that was it for today. I'm now going to show you a close-up, an overall shot, so you can see how everything looks like right now. I hope you had fun watching this episode of us. If you did, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. And if you want to get a notification every time we upload a new video, then click the bell button. Jenny and I hope to see you all back in our next video. Take care and bye bye!